Hey everybody, welcome to another sports card break with Matt. Today we have another fat pack, 40 cards, guys. This is Topps 2021 Series 1 right here, guys. We are going to open it up. You can look for autographs and relic cards. Pick these up at Cracker Barrel of all places, guys. And it's hard to find cards in my area now, especially since Target decided to stop selling in stores, so it's making it a little bit harder for me to find cards, guys. So I'm finding little odd places here and there, a little Walgreens trip here and there, and trip to Cracker Barrel of all places that I would never in a million years thought would have cards, guys. So looks like we might have a hit in the pack right off the get-go. I'm going to put that towards the bottom and go through and start it off halfway right here. We already got a rookie card to start us off with Sixto Sanchez. We got Luis Castillo, Anthony Rizzo, Pedro Cervino, Max Fried. We got Edward Olivares rookie card. That's pretty cool. We'll stick that to the side with my other rookie cards, guys. I like to sleeve and top load all my rookies because you never know. We got Michael Lorenzen. Pretty cool. Got Tim Anderson right there, guys. That's a pretty cool little Tim Anderson card. We got Jose Quintana, Brian Goodwin, Trevor Bauer. We got Amir Garrett, J.D. Martinez, Ahmed Rosario, Hector Neris, Harrison Badar, Gleyber Torres, and the Strange Gordon right there, guys. So who else do we have in this set right here? Let's keep going. We've got Sean Manaea, Arnaldus Chapman, Lorenzo Cain, Jonathan Daza, Kyle Lewis, Stephen Voigt, Trey Turner. We got our sideways cards. We got Austin Meadows, Yui Gurriel, N. Kennedy, Shane Bieber, Manny Machado. We got Corey Seager, Marcus Simon. Here we go, some more rookies. We got Leody Taveras. Stick that with the rookies. Mike Minor. What else we got? We got Walker Buehler. Oh, we got a home run insert cards, guys. Who do we have? We got Josh Donaldson, guys. That's pretty cool. We're going to definitely try that out right there. I actually won two just not long ago. I guessed correctly that George Soares would hit a home run, and I actually guessed two of his cards on the same exact day, guys. And Top sent me an email saying that I've won the home run challenge twice, so that's pretty cool. I'll be expecting two of those cards in the mail soon. We got a Topps Chrome version right here, guys, of Bryce Harper. It's a nice little chrome card, pretty flawless too. Doesn't have any scratches or dings on it. I really like that. Then we got a Lewis Robert throwback looking card, guys. That's pretty cool. Celebrating the 35th anniversary right there. Here we go, guys. We got Joe Adele rookie card. And the last one is Bryce Harper, guys. So that's basically the same card as that one that we just opened right there. So that's the chrome version, and that's like the plain Jane base version right there, guys. So little Joe Adele right there. So pretty cool to get a chance at those home run challenges, guys. So I'm definitely going to look at who they're playing upcoming, you know, and check it out and see how he's feeling, if he's healthy right now, and try to make a predicted guess of what day he'll hit a home run, guys. So the best cards I want to say tonight would be this Joe Adele right here. We got Leody Taveras, Sixto Sanchez, and Edward Olivares as rookie cards. And then, like I said, we got the Josh Donaldson home run challenge card right there, guys. I'll scratch that off and go onto my Topps app and enter it in on a day I think he'll win, guys. So that'd be cool to add one of his cards to the collection of the home run challenges. I wish I could find more of these guys. I might actually even go on eBay one day. And there's a lot of people that do breaks and stuff, but they don't want to fool with these. They'll sell you like 10 of these for like 20 bucks, you know. So that'd be cool to look out for. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week. Peace.